Hello guys, welcome back with another video in Electronic Studio. So today we are going to learn a barometric sensor, how to use this barometric sensor. This is manufactured by the ST Microelectronics. So this is a barometric sensor. It can measure the altitude. So this altitude, I can show you the part number. What is the part number of the sensor? This is the ILPS28QSW. This is the part number of this sensor. I want to show you the before explaining the code how it is looking like the sensor. So guys, this is the sensor. This is the SMD package, SMD QFN package. It is looking like that. So if you want to use this sensor, so we have to make a one custom board like this. We have to make this one. Some RLC components we have required to use this sensor. So for this connection diagram I will provide you in my GitHub page. There you can able to access. This is a small sensor guys. In this sensor we can able to detect the altitude of this our area location wherever we are. These are the sensor. This is a demonstration video of the sensor with ESP32. We are going to use this one today. So first I want to show you the code, and before starting the code I want to show you the library, which one library I am using. Here also I am showing you. If you are not able to see in your live Arduino ID, I will provide you the physical library in my GitHub page. There you can access. So if you will paste this library here, from here you have to copy, then you have to paste here. So you can see here one author, you can see able to see by the Spark Fun Electronics. They have developed this library. So with the help of this library you can use this. And if you want to use this other example for this library, so you have to go in this file, example file, and then example, then scroll down. So this is the library. In this library so many examples are there related to this sensor. So but I'm going to use this one only. So it's this sensor can measure the temperature and pressure in meter. It will detect. So if we want to run this, so we have to select the board ESP32 we are using, and it's up to you guys. It's not a compulsory to use ESP32. If you want to use Arduino Nano, ESP, Xiao board, wherever you can use. No change in the There is no change in the code, because this is the I2C based protocol, so you can use anyone. So I already checked this. So if I will run this one, it will see what outcomes will come after run this code. So this code has been run as a successfully. So now I want to show you the outcomes of this code. So this is the outcomes. I have captured this snapshot. So you can see here it was my the pressure in it is showing that it was my the altitude of this 909 is the pressure, and temperature also it is showing here guys. And I want to show you the guys one more thing also. This is a data sheet of the sensor. In this ST Microelectronics they had made two models, mode 1 and mode 2. Mode 1 is this is a range, means 260 pascals to 1260 pascals. This is a range of the sensor, but we are using model 2. It can measure up to the 4060, means 4060 pressure altitude it can measure. So this is the data sheet for your reference. You can use this one. These are the connections are there, and recommended and reference diagram is also there in this data sheet if you will go down. And one more thing guys, in this sensor one specialty is there. Like this sensor, it is looking like this. This is the outer side is a metallic lid. Inside if you will see one gel is there, so it is avoiding to the gel is working. This gel is avoiding to damage the sensor. Inside some electronic things are there, like ASIC are there, substrate, these connections are there, and MEMS are there. And if you go down here you can see the reference diagram of this sensor guys. This one, the reference diagram of the sensor, you can use this one. Some anode, cathode, diode, capacitor, and resistors are there. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.